Good morning, students. Today I will discuss the thermal phenomenon or the phenomenon related to the thermal expansion of solid. So first thing is that for this thermal expansion, there are advantages and disadvantages. Both of these effects are present for this expansion of solid. Okay. So first I will discuss the disadvantages of the thermal expansion of solid. So first thing is that the first disadvantage is that if we use metal for making any ruler, okay, or scale, normal scale. So what is the problem? If I prepared or made that scale in this environment, in our West Bengal environment, then we are marking this scale according to that, okay. Now if I take this scale to the, suppose, any cold country, okay, so there we will get an error. Or if I take that scale to the any country where desert or atmosphere is more hotter than our West Bengal, then there will face the error for this scale, because if I take that scale to the hotter region, then it will expand as it is prepared with the metal, and if I take it in the colder region, then it will compress. So we will get an measurement error. So this is one disadvantage of thermal expansion of solid. Okay. Next is that the glass vessels. If a glass vessels, if I take glass vessels which has more thickness, if I put hot water suddenly, very hot water suddenly inside that container or glass vessel, then it will crack from the outside. Why it will happen? The reason is that because of, as we put the hot water in the container of that thick glass vessels or thick glass container, then what will happen? As heat is there, so inside the glass contained or glass in the contact with that hot water, it will suddenly expand it. But glass is a bad conductor of heat. Clear? So whatever the expansion inside the glass container or the heat due to which this inside glass part is being extended or being expanded, that heat, as the heat cannot propagate it to the outermost part of the glass container, then there is an inequilibrium between these two glass sheet, outer and inner. That's why it will break. Clear? So this is one reason, or this is one disadvantages of expansion of solid. Okay. Now the thing is that there are certain things for which we are being there is an advantages as well. Okay, one disadvantage I missed, that is the fish plate. What is this fish plate? You know that in the railway track there is a plate. On the railway track, top of the railway track, there is a metallic plate. Suppose if the metallic plate are joined together, then what will happen? As the train passes, it generates a huge amount of heat. That's why the metallic sheet try to expand, and if they are being connected like this, solid, then it will, as it tries to expand, it will bend out. Okay, either it will bend like this or bend like this or bend like this. So for the next train, it will cause an accident. Clear? That's why what is happening? That's why to reduce or to remove this thing, we use that the plates are being connected like this. They are not joined together. They are separated by a particular gap, and on that particular gap, another plate is there, which can movable in that sense. Their screw is not fixed at all. It can be movable. Okay, that's why these particular plate which are being placed on the top of these two different sheet or two different metallic plate, that is called the fish plate. So when the train will pass, as the heat is being generated, so as the lower part lower metallic sheet is being expanded, as there is a gap, it can expand it and joined. Clear? And after the train is train has gone, and as the heat is being minimized, then again it will come to its original place. So this is one thing that gives a disadvantage for the expansion of solid. Next concept is that the bridge. Any bridge which contains basically metals, right? Metallic strands are there. The thing is that as so many vehicles are going through the bridges, it generates heat, so it starts to expand. To reduce this, one place of the bridge is being fixed, and another side of the bridge is placed on a roller, so that when it is expanded, it can be expanded as it wants. If both the ends of the bridge is being fixed, then what will happen? Then basically the bridge will again it tries to expand, and again it will just bend up. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, next is that the pendulum. Pendulum is made up of rod, metallic rod. So what will happen if the pendulum is gone to the colder region? Then the metallic rod of the pendulum is being shortened, right? And we know that time period is directly proportional to the root over of length of the pendulum rod. Okay, so T is directly proportional to root over of L. Clear? So what will happen? As the length is being shorted, so the time period will be short. Clear? So the clock will be faster. Okay. So, and if the clock is taken to a region that is a hot region, then what will happen? The pendulum rod will expand, and so the length of the pendulum will increase. That's why time period will increase, which means the clock will go on to the slope. Okay, so these are the basic disadvantages of the thermal expansion of solid. So these are the basic disadvantages. What are the advantages? So if a glass stopper fixed tightly to a bottle, we need to hit that bottle slightly to release that stopper. Okay, next thing is that the cartwheel metals. So in the cartwheel, outside the wheel, there is a metallic strip or metallic round strip outside the wheel, right? So what is the need? But what will happen basically if we make the outer metallic wheel as the size of the wheel? Then what will happen? The cartwheel moves, then heat will generate it will expand, and it will just comes out from the wheel. Okay, that's why we made it a slightly smaller in size, corresponding to the size of the wheel. So what will happen? As we made it smaller, corresponding to the size of the wheel, so to put it on the wheel, we need to hit it. As we are hitted that cover, then what will happen? It will expand, and with it will tightly fit on. It will fitted on the wheel, and as it will cool down, so it tightly just grip the wheel. Okay, so these are the basic advantages of the metallic expansion of the solid. Okay, and this is also used for the fire alarm as well. A bimetallic strip is being used for the fire alarm. So what will happen? Suppose two different metals are being attached with each other. It is called the bimetallic strip, and the expansion of that strip is not same at all by getting the same kind of heat. Okay, so as the heat is being generated due to the fire anywhere, so what will happen? As the expansion of these two metals are not same at all by getting the same temperature or same heat, so what will any one will more increased compared to the other. Clear? So what will happen as one is being increased, it starts to bend like this. If this metal has the more expansion property than corresponding to this, so this will increase and it will bend like this. Okay, as it will bend like this, so there is a circuit which it can touch, which is connected to basically to the bell. So as the metallic strip has been touched, so the circuit is completed and bell starts to ring. Okay, so this is the use of bimetallic strip where the expansion of solid has been used. Okay, now another logical question, Satya. Suppose if for the making of the platinum ware, why we use platinum ware attached with the glass tube, not the copper ware? Why it is so? The reason behind this is because to fuse the metal with the glass, we need to heat the metal, right? So when we heat the metal and the metal is being heated, it is melted, not so liquefied, so partially melted, and the wire is being inserted to that. Now when it cools down, then what will happen? If the expansion of that metal is more than the glass, then the contraction of the metal will be more than the glass, right? So when that system will be cooled down, then what will happen? Then as the contraction of the metal is more than the glass, then what will happen? It will contract more and it will be released from that connecting point. Okay, so therefore there is no use of making such wares. That's why platinum is used instead of the copper for making the platinum wire. The reason is that the contraction and expansion of platinum is near about to equal to the glass compared to the copper. Copper has the more expansion, more thermal coefficient than the glass. So when it is being cooled, it will just bring out from that glass. Okay, that's why platinum is being used. So this type of logical questions you can face from this chapter. Okay, so I am ending this chapter. Thank you.